Daytona State College's Self-Service Password Reset, SSPR, can be used to reset forgotten DSC account passwords and unlock locked accounts. This service is fully integrated into Microsoft Office 365 and provides additional functionality such as verifying your identity by the following methods: Microsoft Authenticator smartphone app, text message, phone call, alternate non-DSC email address. To enroll, you must know your current DSC account password. Enrollment is a one-time event. However, your authentication methods can be updated later if so desired. Note: you are required to set up at least 2 methods. Students, if you did not enroll in SSPR and are locked out of your account, contact registration at 386-506-3136 or visit the Question and Answer Center on the Daytona campus, Building 100, Room 119. Employees, if you did not enroll in SSPR and are locked out of your account, contact the DSC Help Desk at 386-506-3950. To get started, go to falconpasswordsignup.daytonastate.edu to begin the enrollment wizard. Enter your DSC email in the first name _ last name format and select Next. You will be forwarded to the DSC login page. Enter your DSC password and select Sign In. On the More Information Required screen, select Next to set up your authentication methods. You are then prompted to set up your authentication methods. You are first prompted to set up the Microsoft Authenticator app on your phone. This is the preferred and most secure method. However, you can also use the I want to set up a different method link to choose either the phone or email method. Note: if you choose the email method, you must use an email different from your DSC email.